I just received this package from Copenhagen Grooming with the hair growth kit plus capsules, and thus in this video I want to unbox it and check it out. And when it comes to the Copenhagen Grooming brand, I've already checked out the beard growth kit, and so far I've seen tremendous results when it comes to the derma roller for my facial hair, and thus now it's time for me to check out the hair growth kit and see how good it is, because when it comes to my hair, one of the biggest fears that I've got is to lose it. Obviously over time it's almost inevitable for most of us, but there are a lot of things we can do prematurely to prevent this, or at least minimize this. A lot of family members from different parts have had hair loss, and that's something I'm trying to prevent. So I'm gonna unbox the package and then give you my honest thoughts and feedback, and I hope you're excited, because I am. And with that said, let's get started. So when it comes to the Copenhagen Grooming package, inside of the package I've received the hair growth kit, the activator and the capsules. On the website it says the hair growth kit plus capsules, a natural 3-step solution to regain control of hair loss and boost hair growth, plus hair growth capsules to take your hair growth to the next level. Some of our awesome testers shared their progress with us after they saw results using our hair growth kit. And while looking at the pictures, you can definitely see some significant hair growth. And that's something that I find extremely important when it comes to your brand. They need to be able to back their claims. And Copenhagen Grooming has been able to do that, especially when it comes to the beard growth kit in my experience. And these pictures are not the only claim. In a 150-day clinical study, the hair growth kit proved to be efficient in activating new hair growth, as well as preventing further hair loss. With 13,500 average new hairs, 52% improved hair density, 38% improved hair thickness, and 89% hair loss reduction, Copenhagen Grooming has clinical study results to back their claims, because in my opinion these results are phenomenal. And obviously when it comes to the data, 13,500 average new hairs doesn't mean that everyone has received that much new hair. So some individuals have regained more new hair, while others have received a little bit less. But regardless, seeing results is something that matters. So inside of the kit you receive the capsules, a daily supplement that boosts hair growth from within. The hair growth kit also includes the moon roller, a micro needle roller that maximizes serum absorption and stimulates the sleeping follicles. You also receive the activator, a hair serum that slows down hair loss and regenerates new hair growth. Alright, so let me open the hair growth kit. So first of all, let me get rid of this black rubber band. And inside of it you can find yourself the moon roller, cleansing spray and activator. And this is how the moon roller looks like. On their website it says the moon roller. The moon roller consists of 1140 0.5mm titanium needles that penetrate the top layer of the scalp and create thousands of microscopic channels. This process boosts the blood flow, increasing the nutritional distribution to both inactive and active follicles. This procedure allows your skin to more effectively absorb the activator. And if you have a close look at this moon roller, you can definitely see those 1140 0.5mm titanium needles. And the way you close it again is also very efficient, because there's some sort of mini magnet here. So generally speaking, when it comes to the hair growth kit procedure, it's very similar when it comes to the beard growth procedure. But obviously for the hair on your head, you use a product like the moon roller, which is specialized for that area. The next product I want to have a look at is the hair serum activator. The activator is a serum proven to stimulate inactive follicles and prevent them from entering the hair loss phase. The hair growth effect is found in a patented triple complex, proven to target hair growth, thickness and strength with a combination of 3 actives in a unique composition. The triple complex is built with these 3 active ingredients. Capilla longa reactivates hair growth by resetting the hair bulb and creating the optimal environment for activating hair growth. Centella reversa works as a powerful antioxidant, speeding up the regeneration process of each follicle after using the moon roller. Alea renova gets delivered into the core of hair strand to significantly increase the hair diameter. So not only does the hair serum activate inactive follicles, but it also prevents your hair from going into the hair loss phase. So the hair activator plays a significant role to not only prevent the hair loss phase, but also to activate those inactive hair follicles. So the role of the moon roller is to boost the blood flow to increase nutritional distribution to both inactive and active hair follicles, a process that allows your skin to more effectively absorb the activator. And when it comes to the activator, it stimulates inactive hair follicles and prevents them from entering the hair loss phase. And the cleanser is used on the moon roller to keep it hygienic. And what about the capsules? On their website it says fighting hair loss from within. Hair capsules provide a daily dose of biotin, zinc and pumpkin seed oil, which are essential building blocks for healthy hair and normal hair growth. And from my personal knowledge, biotin is a very key ingredient for those individuals that want to have healthy hair. Key ingredient that a lot of us lack when it comes to your daily nutrition, but it is very fundamental because it really makes sure that you've got very strong and healthy hair. But besides that, the hair capsules also provide pumpkin seed oil. And let's talk about the power of pumpkin. Our formula is based on pumpkin seed oil, but why pumpkin? In a double-blinded study, an increase of up to 40% in hair count was found in men suffering from mild to moderate hair loss with a daily intake of 400 mg of pumpkin seed oil. This is why we have the exact amount of pumpkin seed oil in our capsule. Key components: pumpkin seed oil supports hair growth up to 40%. Biotin distributes to normal hair growth and follicle formation. Selenium contributes to normal hair growth. Zinc has a significant effect on the building of hair and helps rebalancing testosterone levels. And copper supports your hair pigmentation. So when it comes to the hair growth kit, it gives you the best fighting chance if you're someone that's fighting against hair loss, or if you're someone that's trying to regain some hair. Because when it comes to every single component of the hair growth kit, it has been distributed in a certain way to make sure that you can maximize your results. And personally, I really like that they have clinical study results to really back their claims. Obviously, when it comes to the beard growth kit, it is a product that I've already experienced myself and I've seen significant results. And this might put me in a place with a little bit of bias, and I'm fully aware of that. But even then, all of their products are backed by clinical studies. And now I'd like to test the products out for myself and see how good they are. So the first product you use is the moon roller. Use the cleansing spray, and then use the moon roller on places where you want to stimulate hair growth. So if you look at my hairline, it is a little bit asymmetric over here relative to here. So I'm definitely gonna start by using it over here. Alright, there we go. So I do feel a little bit of a tingling sensation. It definitely feels a little bit more significant than the derma roller from the beard growth kit. But obviously when it comes to your scalp area, it can easily handle more pressure. And luckily when it comes to the moon roller, you can pretty much use it everywhere on your scalp to stimulate blood circulation. I do have a couple of scars over here, so when I was younger, I fell on my head and there's no hair growing on those areas anymore. Obviously, the rest of my hair can cover that area, but it would be significant if I can regain those hairs. Just simply listen to the sound. You can definitely hear that it is penetrating and stimulating blood circulation. And now let me use a little bit of the Activator serum over here. Alright, there we go. That's it. And the thing about our hair as men is that usually we don't really focus on it or really take care of it before it's too late. And the main thing you can do is to prevent hair loss. The quicker you are when it comes to taking care of your hair, the happier you'll be in the long term. Because usually it's a compound effect. We don't really see that we're losing hair, but then suddenly out of nowhere it gets out of hand. And it's very important to be able to target it when you don't lose a lot of hair, because this way you can really prevent all of the damage. And when it comes to the hair serum, I really like that it's very controlled. It's not like that it splurs out a lot of the hair serum. You can really control it. And man, it also smells really nice. So let me take this hair capsule now. Alright, there we go. That's how it looks like. And let me take it in. There we go. Alright, so besides the normal hair serum activator that I received inside of the hair growth kit, I've got 2 extra ones, so this way I can really fulfill a 150 days challenge. And I was thinking, although I find it very important to prevent hair loss and use the products myself, I talked to my dad and I asked him whether he wanted to try the products out for himself, and he was down. And if you'd like us to document his progress, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to make it happen, because this way we can really see how good the CPA's Grooming hair growth kit is. Because from my personal experience when it comes to the beard growth kit and all of the data when it comes to the hair growth kit, I'm very certain that the hair growth kit will make a lot of difference. And thus, if you'd like me to make it happen, definitely let me know. And that's pretty much the end of this video. If you'd like to check out the hair growth kit out for yourself, I will have it in the description with a special Meninfluencer discount code. And thus, if you use the discount code junaid25, you'll get 25% of your purchase, and this will make it a lot more affordable. And if you found this video useful and informative, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and also consider to hit the subscribe button to be updated with future CPA's grooming review videos. And that's pretty much the end of this video, so thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.